Good evening, all of you. Hi.
Good morning, sir.
Good evening. Good evening, sir.
Good evening.
Sweet evening to all of you.
Good evening.
Hi. Good evening. Okay. Today's session will be, of course, we'll do the energy pull. Plus, we'll also, all of us want money, 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 money. So let's try and remove blockages. And I'll tell you some of the major things which are required for attracting money. Anyone here who doesn't want money? किसी को पैसा नहीं चाहिए? ऐसा कुछ है किसी को?
Hello.
Yeah. Hi, Aparna.
Yeah.
Sorry.
Yeah.
One second.
Aparna को money नहीं चाहिए.
Aparna, you don't want money? There's some problem, mate. Okay. Okay. Before
Hello.
starting.
Hello, Ganesh. I'll call you in 2 minutes. Of course, I want money. Yeah. What you're saying, I don't want money. I'll join once again. Yeah. Supriya was on the line. Okay.
Oh,
I
no
think so.
problem.
उसको वो नहीं मिला line link. I think so. I'll call one again. I'll
Yeah,
join.
Sure. Okay. I'll just give a small gist. बचपन में हम लोग को काफी सिखाया रहेगा. What are the things we have been taught from our parents or some other people about money, fact and reality about money. First of all, लोगों को बोला रहेगा, don't accept money from mama, chacha, okay, or don't accept gifts, okay. So I'm sure this is the first blockage which we all do, okay. The moment you say इससे पैसा मत लो, इससे पैसा मत लो, you are blocking your money, okay. This is first and foremost most important. And never say was my hard earned money. You should never say that. सब लोग अरे मेरे hard earned money पैसा आपके पास है. Never use word hard earned. I'm sure ऐसा काफी लोग काफी पेरेंट्स ने या ऐसा काफी बोला रहेगा, जितना आपके पास पैसा है उतना ही खर्चा करो, जितना चादर है उतना ही पाओ ये करो. See, these are some of the myths, which is good. I'm not saying it is bad. However, let's become practical. Now, most importantly, never say I want money or I need money. जब आप बोलते हो ना I want money and I need money, यूनिवर्स को क्या लगता है आपके पास कुछ पैसा नहीं है. So stop saying I want money, I need money. So this is one of the important fact which I want to tell all of you people. Okay. So there are multiple ways. These are the money blockages which you do. When you say I want money, I need money, you block your own self. Then people also say, I want my hard-earned money. I'm doing hard work. Yes, these are all going to go negative. Never say I want, let's ask for, may I have my money, please. The moment you say hard work or use some sort of these words, you are actually blocking yourself. Okay. Now, first, of course, at 1 minute to go for the meditation. We'll first do the energy pull today. Or first we'll do the meditation and then we'll do the energy pull. Then I got some multiple ways how you can attract money.
Ganesh, Supriya joined na?
Yeah.
Ganesh, Supriya joined na?
Yeah, she joined. I'm sorry, I forgot to send her the link. I'm so sorry.
No problem. I sent her. Yeah.
I'm so sorry. Sorry, Supriya. Sorry. Okay. I think 9 on the clock. Let's do a meditation. And today's meditation, whenever we are doing on all the chakra, just think about money. Okay, so let's get go. Chalo. It is 9:09 on the watch. Let's start. Some people are joining. 1 second. Done. All of you close your eyes. First, let me protect you people. Wherever you are sitting in your room, imagine you are sitting in a golden pyramid. Your room is of golden pyramid with your near and dear ones, with your husband, your spouse, your kids, your friends, whomever your near and dear ones are there. And since everyone wants money, first let's invoke Wolf. Dear Wolf, please help us out to regulate our cash flows. So first, let's look at Wolf mantra. Wolf magic begin now. 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 Thank you, Wolf, for helping us to manifest money. Now, imagine an ultraviolet rays coming from the universe, coming onto your crown chakra. Crown chakra is where your head is. Going to your third eye, then your throat chakra, your heart chakra. From your heart chakra, it goes to your solar plexus. From solar plexus, the journey is to your sacral chakra, root chakra, and after root chakra, it directly gets grounded to Mother Earth. Whatever the extra energy our body does not take or does not want, and whatever negativities are there, let it get grounded. We are all protected. We are all protected. We are all protected. Now, let's start our journey for the chakra meditation with regards to money. Firstly, before chakra meditation, let's clean up all our chakras with water so that there are no stains of dirt or toxins or whatever you may call, which is blocking us for money. Now, let's imagine pure water coming from the heaven, comes to your crown chakra. Once it comes to your crown chakra, it cleanses of the impurities, toxins, and of course, all the other stuff which is blocking your money. Next, the pure water goes to your third eye. Again, that's the same thing, cleansing your third eye for impurities, for again your toxins by which your money gets blocked. Next, going ahead with the journey, the water now reaches your third eye, reaches your throat chakra, I'm sorry. It cleanses off all your toxins, impurities from your throat chakra. Now, throat chakra is extremely important because that's where your communication happens. If your throat chakra is very good, you'll be able to communicate properly. In fact, you'll be able to ask people, give me money, rather help me out in giving money. So throat chakra, removing impurities are very much important. Next, let's go to the next chakra, which is heart chakra. Let's take a beautiful example out of here. Your heart chakra is where your emotions, your love, and everything is stored. Let's imagine if you're weak on your emotions, if you are negative, if you think too much, you will always you will always have the blockages. So let's remove all these toxins and other things and other dirt from the heart chakra so that you attract money very easily with ease. Next, after that, your solar plexus. The solar plexus is so much important that if there's any issue, you'll end up having stomach and other related issues, which will again block your money. So let's remove the impurities from solar plexus. Next, again, sacral chakra. Sacral chakra again accounts for health related issues near your sacral chakra. Now, on sacral chakra, if at all you have any sort of health issues, any sort of emotional disorders, any sort of sexual disorders, these are again the blockage points. So let's remove that also from the water. Post that, let's also come to the root chakra. Root chakra is very, very important. If your root chakra is blocked, you'll block everything and you'll block your money too. So the water again cleanses the root chakra, and after that it goes to the Mother Earth. So now we have cleansed all the chakras with regards to money. We removed the impurities, we removed the toxins, we removed the entire dirt from the chakra. Now, next important thing is we need to remove the blockages from all the 7 chakras. Now, how do you remove blockages? We have, you need to have a golden pyramid, small golden pyramid. Now, this small golden pyramid is coming from the universe, from all the way from the heaven. And then this golden pyramid also has powers so that it removes the blockages. Now, the golden pyramid, small pieces of golden pyramid, first comes on your crown chakra. Now, on your crown chakra, the golden pyramid removes your blockages on the crown chakra. Now, when your blockages are removed from the crown chakra, you will be cool, you will be receptive, you will be calm so that you can work properly, and that's how you attract money. Next, your third eye. Third eye, we need to remove the blockages because this is where your intuition powers are stored. And obviously, it's so powerful that you can foresee the future. So third eye, the blockages needs to be removed so that you can attract money. Next, most important again, the throat chakra. Throat chakra, I already told you that once the blockages are removed, you will be able to communicate properly. Today, if you want money, you need to be communicating with your colleagues or your clients very swiftly. This is where your throat chakra blockages helps you out in communicating with people. Next, post that is your heart chakra. Again, heart chakra, the blockages needs to be removed. The emotions need to be removed. The negative fear, the negative thinking, the fear, and all emotional disorders needs to be removed. So let's unblock that as well from heart chakra. Next, again, solar plexus. Let's remove the blockages. Sacral chakra, again, remove the blockages. These 2 chakras are so important. You have all health disorders. Again, if you invite health issues, again, you start blocking money. So let's remove that as well. Post which, root chakra. Let's remove the blockages from root chakra as well. So we removed impurities, we removed blockages. Next, let's now invoke multiple angels so that we can again attract money. Firstly, whenever you want to perform something, you want to chase money, you want to win clients, or you want to get better clients, you want to do something in your life, you need to be courageous. You cannot be fearful. The degree of courage should be very high. It's like when you're standing in the railway track, even if the train comes, you should stand. The train should fall down. You should not fall down. So this is the courage which we need to master. So I call upon Archangel Michael to protect us and remove all our fears so that we become more courageous. Next, I call upon Archangel Chamuel to infuse love and remove all unwanted emotions, negative emotions from the heart, and give more love to your near and dear ones, to your customers. You can win people by love very easily, and you can start attracting money. Third and most important angel for money is Archangel Ariel. Archangel Ariel helps you out in regulating your cash flow. He's called upon for improving profits getting money. So Archangel Ariel also removes the blockages from root chakra. Next, of course, you require peace to get money. So let's also call upon Archangel Heniel. Archangel Heniel, let that be peace so that people can concentrate and make more money. Going ahead, there are other angels, Archangel Zopiel for beauty. You need to have both internal beauty and external beauty to attract money very quickly. Then, of course, there are multiple auxiliary archangels, Archangels Metatron, Archangel Raphael, Raguel, multiple other Gabriel, multiple other archangels. These archangels will also help you out in manifesting your money by doing their roles. Now, after this, let's now let me draw clearing symbols on all of you people so that again you start attracting money. Let all your negativities go off. Clearing symbol 1, then pyramid symbol. This removes all your negativity. Then ask for a wish, whatever money amount you want, ask for a wish. Now imagine that wish is already fulfilled. Now I have my own signature and symbol which I'm getting it, but I'll not share the symbol right now, but I'll put it on all your chakras. This is called VAP, wealth, abundance, and prosperity. Now VAP on your crown chakra, VAP on your third eye, VAP on your throat chakra, VAP on your heart chakra, VAP on your solar plexus, VAP on your sacral chakra, VAP on your root chakra. So VAP, VAP, VAP. We all want wealth, abundance, and prosperity. Next, I'm also drawing Midas symbol. Midas is again a powerful symbol for prosperity. Midas, 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 and Midas. Now, let me use multiple modalities so that we can attract more money, starting with Karuna Reiki. Zonar Hat Halu Rama Nosa Kriya Om Ivave Shanti. Zonar Hat Halu Rama Nosa Kriya Om Ivave Shanti. Zonar Hat Halu Rama Nosa Kriya Om Ivave Shanti. Zonar Hat Halu Rama Nosa Kriya Om Ivave Shanti. Zonar Hat Halu Rama Nosa Kriya Om Ivave Shanti. Zonar Hat Halu Rama Nosa Kriya Om Ivave Shanti. Zonar Hat Halu Rama Nosa Kriya Om Ivave Shanti. Zonar Hat Halu Rama Nosa Kriya Om Ivave Shanti. Now let's say Rama, 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 Rama. Whenever you want to gain some materialistic products like cars or some luxury products, please chant Rama, Rama, Rama. Rama symbol is again used for getting materialistic items. Now let's go on to Lama Fira healing. Buddham Shabdam Gachami, Dhammam Shabdam Gachami, Sangam Shabdam Gachami. Aluma Amin Trambaka Vakatota Nyas Ayushi. 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 You can always keep chanting Vakatunta. Vakatunta is again a very, very powerful symbol for getting money and regulating money. And even Trambaka. Trambaka is nothing but three gods, Brahma, Vishnu, Maheshwara. Next, let's look at the Usai Reiki. Honsha Jansuren Seiki Chokure, Honsha Jansuren Seiki Chokure, Honsha Jansuren Seiki Chokure, Honsha Jansuren Seiki Chokure, Chokure, Chokure. Chokure is again a very powerful symbol. You can always use it on your third eye or on your heart. Please use that symbol again to attract more money. Whenever you're talking to a client or when you're a new client, just use chokre symbol on your third eye and talk to your client, or you can put chokre symbol on his forehead and see the magic. Now, I have a very, very special Lakshmi mantra, which of course is very difficult to share, but yes, anyone wants, you can contact on my personal window. Matar me Madhukeda Bagni Maisha Prana Pravodana me Hela Nirmita Dharmalochana वदे चंडमुंडार्दिनी निश्येषि कृत रक्तविदतनिजे नित्ये निसंभावे शुंभ ध्वंसिनी संसारं च दुरिदं दुर्गे नमस्तांबिके. I'll repeat again twice. मातार्मे मधुकेद भगिनी महिष प्राण प्रवोदर्मी हेला निर्मित धर्मलोचना वदे चंडमुंडार्दिनी निश्येषि कृत रक्तबीजतनिजे नित्ये निसंभावे शुंभ ध्वंसिनी संसारां चतुरिदं दुर्गे नमस्तांबिके. मातार्मे मधुकेद भगिनी महिष प्राण प्रवोदर्मी हेला निर्मित धर्मलोचना वदे चंडमुंडार्दिनी निश्येषि कृत रक्तबीजतनिजे नित्ये निसंभावे शुंभ ध्वंसिनी संसारां चतुरिदं दुर्गे नमस्तांबिके. Now we have finished up all the modalities. Now let's go to the beach mantra. Starting with root chakra. Lam. Please feel the vibration so that your chakras gets open and you invite a lot of money. Lam. 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 Next, sacral chakra. Vam. 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 Next, solar plexus. Ram. 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 Next, very, very important, heart chakra. Yam. 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 Yum. 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 Next, throat chakra. Hum. 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 Next, third eye. Om. 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 Next, last, of course, crown chakra. Aum. 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 Now we have cleansed all the chakra. We have also put beach mantras. Now let us do a very special prayer. Now all the chakras are open. It's been removed, or rather all the chakras are cleansed with water. Blockages are removed. Now let us take some deep breaths again to protect the heart. Heart is the place wherein we need to really protect to attract more money. Now imagine there are 2 points. One point is, please open your crown chakra. From crown chakra, which is on your head, let there be fiber growing in. That the fiber will go up to your heaven. The fiber is going up to the heaven to take the energy of heaven and also to take the energy of light, of moonlight and sunlight. Now, from your legs, imagine roots are growing in. They get deeply grounded into Mother Earth. Now, of course, I'll guide you the meditation. I'm just explaining you. When I say inhale, inhale from heaven, just think that white light and energy of sun and moon are coming. Take the energy till your crown chakra, a third eye, throat chakra, and pause at your heart chakra. When I say pause at heart chakra, please pause it, and I'll tell you what to do at that time. And when I say exhale, exhale from your solar plexus, sacral chakra, root chakra, and from the feet of your legs, wherein the roots are going, it will get deeply grounded to Mother Earth. So let's do this. It's a beautiful exercise to get money, wealth, and abundance. Okay, let's start. Inhale from heaven. Get the energy till your crown chakra, throat chakra, heart chakra. Let the energy be there, heart chakra. Please pause your breath. Now, with that energy, make your heart very happy. Let the energy give love to the heart, because the heart is a place wherein always it takes trauma and multiple tensions. So let's promise the heart, I'll protect you. Okay, even I'll take care of you even during trauma. So let that energy be given to the heart. Now exhale. Oh. When you exhale, it should go through the roots of your feet to the Mother Earth. Again, second time. Inhale from heaven. Get the white light, the energy of sun, energy of moon on your crown chakra, third eye, throat chakra, and pause it at your heart chakra. Now again, please tell the heart, I love you, I'll protect you in spite of all traumas. Please be happy, make the heart happy so that it can start receiving more money. You can become calm. And now exhale. Oh. Third time. Inhale. Get the energy from the heaven on your crown chakra, on your third eye, on your throat chakra, and store it at your heart chakra. Again, please tell your heart, I love you, I will protect you, and now create a shield so that despite any traumas or any attacks, your heart will stay cool. Now, remove all the frustration, negativities by exhaling. Oh. Now, again, inhale. Then get the energy till your heart chakra. Store the energy. Make the heart feel very happy. Pause for a moment. Let there be silence. Now exhale. Om. Sorry. Inhale. Get the energy till your heart chakra. Again, pamper your heart. Now exhale. Om. Two more times for all this, because we have finished 5 times. 2 more times since we have 7 chakras. Inhale. Let the energy be stored on your heart chakra. Pamper your heart. Now exhale all your frustrations. Om. Last time. Inhale. Hold your breath. Get the energy to your crown chakra, third eye, throat chakra, and heart chakra. Hold your breath. Again, please give a surety to the heart, saying that I'll protect you despite any calamity, despite any trauma, since you already shielded the heart. Now, exhale. Oh. Relax. Now, let's start an energy pull. Again, energy pull is to manifest money and multiple other things. Wherever you are, look at yourself from your foot to your head. Start expanding. Expand yourself to the size of the entire room. Think that you're becoming so big as your size of the room. Expand yourself to the size of the entire building. Expand yourself to the size of the entire city. Expand yourself to the size of the entire state. Expand yourself to the size of the entire country. Expand yourself to the size of the entire continent. Expand yourself to the size of the entire world. Expand yourself to the size of the entire Milky Way. Expand yourself to the size of the entire planets. And finally, expand yourself to the size of the entire universe. Now you are the power, you are the awareness, you are the control. Now what you require is energy and money. And once you look at the earth is a small ball for you because you're so big as universe. The best way to get money is to pull the energy from the earth magnetically. So let's start pulling the energy from the earth, money energy. Keep pulling from the left, keep pulling from the right, keep pulling from the top, bottom, front, back, and center. Keep pulling money energy from the earth magnetically. Keep pulling till the time you're tired. Keep pulling lots of energy so that you'll get a lot of money. Next, whoever are in relationship issues, you want love or you want some reconciliation, imagine his photo, or if you're seeking for a new partner, soulmate, again imagine some his drawing. Keep pulling love from him. Keep pulling, 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 keep pulling love from him, keep pulling love from him or her, keep pulling, keep pulling. Third thing, everyone wants a better health. Health is wealth. So let's pull on energy to have a better health. Keep pulling health energy, keep pulling, keep pulling, keep pulling, keep pulling, keep pulling, keep pulling, keep pulling. Next, everyone wants a beautiful job, better increments, better bosses, better working place, or new jobs, or they want to work out of India, have a permanent residency. So let's keep pulling that energy also. Keep pulling energy for jobs. Keep pulling, keep pulling, keep pulling, keep pulling, keep pulling, keep pulling. Next, let's keep pulling energy for businesses. You want a business to go well, you want new clients, you want profits, you want a hassle-free business, most important, you want a hassle-free business. So let's put in business energy, energy which will regulate your business from the earth. Keep pulling, 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 keep pulling. Next, we also want to win cases. Someone who have alleged on you or blamed on you, we want to come clear. We want to have very, very clear communication with all of us, all of them. And we want to emerge as winner in case we have any problems. Legal issues, legal battle, everything. So let's keep pulling that particular energy so that we win all these court cases and prove that we are right despite allegations and other stuff. So keep pulling that energy from the earth. Keep pulling, 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 keep pulling. Now you have pulled so much of energy. The last energy which I want you guys to pull is courage, which I always say was whatever you want to do in this world, you need to have courage. So let's pull courage energy from the earth. Keep pulling the courage energy, keep pulling, keep pulling, keep pulling, keep pulling. So you're very courageous, you're fearless. Now, time has come to manifest all of them out of your home. You're standing out of your home. Suddenly there are rains, and when the rains are coming, instead of rain droplets, there are money coming to you. In either you'll get a rupee, dollar, or whatever is your currency in your particular country. So imagine there are a lot of money coming from the cloud, and please start attracting them. Please start accepting them. Please take money from your left, right, top, bottom, front, back, center. Money, 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 money everywhere. Next, again, from the heaven or from the universe, there is energy coming in, which makes you healthy. So you're now out of all your disease. Next, job energy comes in the form of rain. Please start accepting that you are now getting a better job. You're getting a better increment. You're settled abroad. You're getting a permanent residency. Next, energy flowing for businesses. Your business are going pretty well. Hassle free. You're better clients, better better clients, better profits, and better people in your team. Next, of course, for all other issues like for legal issues or any other issues which you're fighting across, you're winning that battle also. And most importantly, now there is suddenly a thunder coming in. That's again a courage, asking you to be courageous. So now you're also being courageous. So now you've manifested all these things. Time has come for you to go back to your room. Go back to your room from your universe, your Milky Way, planet, world, continent, country, state, city, building, and your room. So now you come back to the room, you got all these things. Now, the last and most important part of this exercise is giving gratitude. Firstly, let's give gratitude to our forefathers, ancestors. Very, very important. Dear ancestors, dear forefathers, gratitude, gratitude, gratitude. Whatever mistakes we have done, intentionally or unintentionally, please forgive us and remain happy. Second, a lot of people who have been dead, they have made a mark in your life. So gratitude, gratitude, gratitude to them. Third, gratitude to your teachers, your gurus, your animal guides. Fourth, gratitude to all the animals, gratitude to all the planets and trees, gratitude to the nature, gratitude to Mother Earth. Next, let's say gratitude to your bank accounts because we never say thank you and gratitude to them. Let it keep growing. Gratitude to all your financial investments, share markets, mutual funds, blah, blah, blah. Let that also grow in size. Gratitude to your tools, which you keep forgetting it. First and foremost, please say, I love you to your mobile. Thank you, gratitude, because without mobile today, nothing is impossible. Nothing is, you can't do anything. Nothing is possible. So please love your mobile and tell it every day, I love you. Please be there with me always. Next, your laptops, your internet, your entire infrastructure, the IT network. Then, of course, if you're in office, you're working in office, to the space, your co-workers, your senior colleagues. If you're in business, if you're using any business tools like machines, please say gratitude and thank you to them because they're very important. Then gratitude to your vehicles, cars, or two-wheelers, or wherever, however you're commuting. So let's say gratitude to them. Then, of course, not forgetting, let's say gratitude to your parents, your siblings, your relatives, gratitude to all the five elements. And in the last, gratitude to ourselves, yourself, your body which is supporting you, your seven chakras which is supporting you, all the organs which are supporting you. So gratitude to all these organs and other stuff. Now relax, rub your palms, keep it on your third eye, throat chakra, and heart chakra. Let there be silence for some couple of seconds. Please feel your heartbeat. I'm sure it will have mellowed down, and say to your heartbeat, I love you. Now, whenever you want, then please open your eyes. Before I could start the money sessions. Anyone had any pains? Please let me know so that I release it.
Thank you, Ganesh.
Thank you, thank you. Any experience you want to share? Anyone had some pains? Yeah, Komalji, tell me hi.
Yes, sir.
Yeah,
Hello, sir. Hello. Sir, my head is a bit heavy.
okay,
Something dropped.
no problem.
My head is.
That's because some of the negativities and other things, it is getting
Yeah.
open. Sometimes it will get heavy. Just a minute, I'll just give you some symbols. 1 second, let me enlarge you here. Show your third eye. Be like that only. Close your eyes. Okay. Now it will be all right in 5-10 minutes.
Okay. Or which may I felt like maybe I fall in sleep or what, I don't know. But
Wow.
I was like this.
So you're going to make a lot of money.
I need it. I spend a
Don't
lot.
forget my bank account too, okay?
Falling asleep is good, is it?
Yes, falling asleep is good. Yes. You
Oh,
are
okay.
actually getting attuned to the chakras. Your chakras are accepting the prayers.
Oh, wow.
So
Okay.
does it matter what time it is? Like it's really late here. So am I sleeping because of that or like because of this?
Yeah, I know you're in Australia. Of course, it's late, but at the same time, I can see your chakras. It is getting accepted very well.
Because I did get sleepy, but I'm confused now after you said this statement.
No, I'm monitoring you every week, rather we are on healing from last 4 to 5 months. Now, actually, your chakras are opening up very well.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah, Seema Anandji, I can see your hand raised. Seema ji? Okay, anyone else before I start the next session? Yeah, Seema ji, your hands are raised. You're on mute, madam. Unmute yourself.
Yeah,
Yeah, Seema ji, how are you?
Hanji, I'm fine. I'm having a bit heavy, I'm feeling.
No problem, ma'am. Just be
And
like that.
yeah.
Just release it. It's a good sign only, don't worry. Okay, in a couple of minutes or this thing will be up.
Okay. Okay, thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Yeah, someone else? Yeah, Archana Shukla, ma'am. How are you? कैसे हो मैडम? सॉरी मैम, आपको फोन नहीं कर पाया. I'm so sorry, मैं काफी बिजी था आज. I'm so sorry.
कोई बात नहीं सर. सर थैंक यू सो मच. ग्रेटिट्यूड सर, बहुत अच्छा आपने मेडिटेशन कराया. एनर्जी भी काफी अच्छी फील हुई. बट सर थोड़ा बैक में हो रहा है, अपर बैक में हल्का सा पेन है और ये नेक के पोर्शन में इधर पे भी हो रहा है पेन अभी.
ओके, 1-2 मिनट मैम. I'll just remove this. 1 second. Just take a deep breath. Deep breath ले लो. And release करो. कुछ नहीं मैम, वो बताता हूँ ऑफलाइन बताता हूँ आपको क्या हुआ करके. I think you'll be up in next 5 to 10 minutes. Don't worry.
Okay sir. Okay. Thank you so much sir.
Thank you so much ma'am. I'm sorry again I could not call you. मैं रात को या कल सवेरे बात करता हूँ.
कोई बात नहीं sir. Don't say sorry sir.
Sure. Anyone else got some pain or want to share something? So we can go to the next chapter.
Sir, yes, me.
Yeah, Seema ji, बताइए. Hi.
Yeah, I'm also feeling some pain in my lower back.
1 second, hold on.
Though I have a lot of problem in my back, but
Lower back is again
that.
connected to root chakra, which is also called Kundalini. So
Yeah.
if it's paining, it's very, very good. Your root chakras are opening. So now you'll start attracting money very easily.
Okay, thank you so much.
You'll be all right. Okay, yeah. Okay,
Thank
anyone
you.
else?
Yeah.
So that we can start the main activity today. Done. So I'll start the main activity on how to get more money. Of course, this recording will be shared. Don't worry. Okay, I think everyone can see my screen. Okay, now we have 3 switch words which are very, very important. Of course, this recording will be shared. You can use that also. First thing is to get money. All your negative karmas needs to be cleared. So let me chant that for all of you people. Ghost, Daikomo, Zero, Exchange, Crystal, Resin, Negative Karma, Valla, all in divine. Ghost, Daikomo, Zero, Exchange, Crystal, Resin, Negative Karma, Valla, all in divine. Ghost, Daikomo, Zero, Exchange, Crystal, Resin, Negative Karma, Valla, all in divine. Because first of all, when you want to make money, your negative karmas needs to be cleared. Second is, most important is your root chakra needs to be energized. Zeolite, Trust, Horseshoe, Crisp, Tesla, Root Chakra, Uranium. Zeolite, Trust, Horseshoe, Crisp, Tesla, Root Chakra, Uranium. Zeolite, Trust, Horseshoe, Crisp, Tesla, Root Chakra, Uranium. And of course, this is a very important thing to remove unstuck money. Unstuck money can also be you're putting a lot of efforts and you're unable to get money. There's a very powerful one. San Antonio de Podo, Coom, Chestnut Bud, Allow, Release, Count, Get, Valla, all in. San Antonio de Powder, Coom, Chestnut Bud, Allow, Release, Count, Get, Valla, all in. Okay, this is again, these are some of the best switch words. I have personally used it and it has certainly worked. Of course, there are other switch words also. Smorgasbord, charm abide by the magic carpet is also a good word. But I have seen when you do these 3 things in succession, your money blockage is removed. You get a lot of new clients. So you remove your negative karma, you activate your root chakra, and you also get money. Next, there are multiple techniques, multiple modalities. Anyway, we are taking those classes also. A lot of people are also there in my subscription list. First thing is alum. In Hindi, it's called fitkari. Now, if you want to get good amount of money, you should put alum in water and then take a bath along with alum very regular, once in a week or once in 3-4 days. This works very well. I have personally used it. Whatever I written here, we've been doing multiple money magics. We're doing a lot of magical workshops from last 6-7 months, and these are all tried and tested by myself. So alum is a very good source. Take good alum from the shop. It will hardly cost you 30-50 bucks. Okay, if you go for a branded, it costs around 200, 300 or 400 bucks. But yes, this is one of the best source. Whenever you feel your money is stuck, take brittle alum, put it in your water, and then bath along with it. Next, to get barakat, to get prosperity, take alum in a black cloth and keep it in your home, okay, at the main door, or if it's a business, keep it in the door of your shop or establishment. This is again a very, very, very good techniques. It removes of all negativities. It attracts abundance. Of course, this recording will be shared. Lemon. Now, lemon, again, I have tried it myself. Use lemon, not only lemon, use the skin of the lemon in your bathing water, then bath along with it. This is also beautiful techniques to again attract money. Next, Gomti Chakra. I'm sure everyone knows what is Gomti Chakra. Take yellow cloth on a plate, keep a picture of Lord Vishnu, put some rice on it, Gomti Chakra, and do tilak. And please say, Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. You don't need to write anyone. I'll give my number. 998. Okay, I'll put it in the chat. You can call me, or rather, you can message me. I'll give the same thing to all of you people. Next, of course, with peacock feathers, we see. I have personally seen wonders. If I can show you right now, I've got peacock feather and owl feather. If anyone wants owl feather, just ping me. I can get you all feathers. Take 5 peacock feathers and 1 owl feather. Okay, tie them with a yellow ribbon. Keep it in your locker at your home on any Thursday to start with. This attracts a lot of abundance. Peacock feather, I repeat, peacock 5 peacock feathers and 1 owl feather. I'll show you the owl feather also.
Sir, owl feather कहाँ से मिलेगा हमको?
कौन सा?
Owl feather कहाँ से मिलेगा?
Owl feather किसी को चाहिए बता दो, I'll give you. If anyone is in Delhi, Delhi में बहुत आसान से मिलता है. Otherwise, I'll send you the guy's number. Otherwise मेरे पास भी बहुत पड़ा है, मैंने लेके रखा हूँ. I'll send you.
ओके ओके सर.
दिल्ली में बहुत आसान से मिल जाता है. And ये बहुत अच्छा है. Peacock feather or all feather remedy. It is one of the best remedy which I've been using it.
हाँ जी, पीकॉक फेदर तो सर मिल जाता है इजीली.
आउल feather दिल्ली में बहुत आसान से मिल जाता है.
अच्छा 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 सर. ये पूजा वाली शॉप में मिल जाता होगा क्या सर?
पूजा वाला शॉप में नहीं मैम. दिल्ली में रमेश नगर करके एक है, उधर बहुत मिल रहा है. लकीली मैं अभी फिलहाल दिल्ली में हूँ, आपको तो फ्रॉम मुंबई, बट मेरे को उधर से बहुत मिला मेरे को. एंड हर फेदर कुछ 15-20 रुपया ले रहा है वो.
ओके सर.
बट बहुत पावरफुल है. आउल फेदर इज वेरी पावरफुल.
सर नंबर और एड्रेस भेज देना रमेश.
भेज देता हूँ मैम, भेज देता हूँ. नहीं तो अमेजोन में जाओ, अमेजोन में बहुत पड़ा है. ये अमेजोन में थोड़ा महंगा है, काफी महंगा है, थोड़ा नहीं काफी महंगा है.
ओरिजिनल मिलेगा कि
ओरिजिनल ओरिजिनल मैं मेरे को जो मिला ओरिजिनल मिला है. सिंपल है, उसको पानी में डाल दो.
नंबर भेज देना आप सेंड कर.
श्योर श्योर श्योर.
सर मुझे तो पिकॉक फेदर भी ओरिजिनल नहीं मिलता है, वो सिंथेटिक वाला मिलता है यहाँ पे. तो
कहाँ पे हो आप?
देहरादून.
देहरादून में तो पक्का मिलना चाहिए मैम.
नहीं, बिकॉज यहाँ पे शॉप्स में मिलता नहीं है, और जो वैसे बेचने वाले होते हैं तो दे गिव यू दैट सिंथेटिक वन.
Then best thing is order from Amazon. Amazon has best this thing. They give proper authentic one.
Sir, Amazon पे नहीं है.
You can return it back. They will give the money also.
Sir, I was looking on Amazon. They don't have owl feather.
Probably अभी नहीं हो रहेगा, but normally they have all feathers. Komal ji, there's someone coming to UK. I'll send across that to you.
सर आपसे ले लेंगे, वो ज्यादा बेस्ट है. आपसे सही चीज मिल जाएगी हमको ना.
ठीक है. Thanks man. Thanks a lot. Great. Now, owl feather. Take a owl feather. Okay. Keep it in your again. Of course, take a picture of owl. If possible, take this. I'll show you it. ये तो मेरे को दिल्ली से मिला. फिलहाल I'm in Delhi. Okay, this owl. It just costed me $250. Okay, and take this. इसके नीचे feather रखो. And typically use it on a Pradosh day. Navami, Ashtami, Pradosh before the full moon. तभी start करो. It works very well. Next, saffron remedies. Saffron remedy, of course, saffron. We give original saffron. In fact, I supply saffron across the world. I energize saffron. I give saffron to multiple people, and mine is purely export quality. Saffron को आप लोग normal water में take a good water Bisleri or something, इसका अंदर डालो. 2-3 जाके शिव का शिवलिंग में डाल दो. It's one of the best remedy on a Monday or on any day. Monday is preferable. It will work very well. Saffron remedy is very, very, very good. It works wonders. Second thing, saffron remedy, take chandan. उसके साथ saffron paste बनाओ. Please put on your third eye. Please put on your sacral chakra and solar plexus. If at all you have a health problem, it will work wonders. Now, why is that so? Because with chandan and this thing, you are actually strengthening the planet Jupiter.
तो चंदन कौन सा, येलो वाला या रेड वाला?
येलो. कोमल जी आपको उधर आराम से मिल जाएगा. यूके में मेरा और एक क्लाइंट यूज कर रहा है वो चंदन, या तो हरे राम हरे कृष्ण मंदिर में मिल जाएगा आपको. So this is a beautiful remedy. This is basically strengthening your Jupiter, and it works amazingly very well. Next, jade plant. I'm sure सब लोग सुना रहेगा jade plant.
चंदन का बताना फिर से क्या करना है?
चंदन से लेके थोड़ा सैफरन डाल दो, उसको पेस्ट बना दो, पेस्ट, और थोड़ा पेस्ट से तिलक लगा दो थर्ड आई में. Especially on a Thursday. The Thursday is गुरुवार, गुरु का दिन. उस दिन से चालू करो. It works very well.
कल करना हो तो कल भी कर सकते हैं.
हाँ, कल भी कर सकते हैं. Yes, no problem. And जिसको हेल्थ प्रॉब्लम्स है वो चंदन को sacral chakra और root chakra में भी sacral chakra, and you can also put it in your solar plexus. फटाफट से वो हेल्थ प्रॉब्लम्स रिजॉल्व भी करता है, and money attraction because of health issues वो भी स्टॉप होता है. This is a beautiful remedy. Anyone wants saffron, please let me know. I'll provide, and We provide saffron to almost all temples in India, and we also supply in US. Okay. Next, of course, this is a very important this thing. Anyone knows what is Abhijit Muhurat? Anyone knows? किसी को मालूम है अभिजीत मुहूर्त क्या है?
Quarter to 12 to 12:15.
Very good, very
Yes,
good,
sir. Yes,
very
sir.
good,
I know that.
very good, very good. Now, what is Abhijit Muhurat? Abhijit Muhurat is one of the best times to do multiple things. There is something called Sri Kanakdas Stotra, which I'll send you the link. Okay, वो time में 45 days वो पढ़ो continuously and see the changes. Sri Kanakdas Stotra with my I'll type my number also, whoever wants, because a lot of people are not there in the group. You can write it down. 9987142693 is my number. I'm sure you have got my number from the messages my officers are sending. नहीं तो कहाँ से भी आपको
Please
message मिला?
repeat it. 9999
87
87
142
142
693.
693. Okay,
Yeah.
sir.
नहीं तो जहां से भी आपको ये आज का मैसेज मिला है, मैं टीम मेंबर्स आर सेंट यू. Okay.
Okay.
उधर से you can, I think Divya, you can also get in touch with Pranati or myself. Okay. Yeah.
आपको होता है ना 11 बजे 11:30 बजे के बाद?
देखो हर एक शहर का अलग अलग होता है. द टाइमिंग इज सन जब सन राइज होता है और सनसेट होता है उसका बीच का टाइम है वो. ओके. कभी कभी इट स्टार्ट फ्रॉम 11:45 टू 12:15 आल्सो. आप जाके दृक पंचांग, यूज दिस वर्ड दृक पंचांग, गो टू द नेट, उसमें डालो अभिजीत मुहूर्त कब है, अभिजीत मुहूर्त फॉर टुडे, तो उसमें दिखेगा आपको टाइमिंग, आपका शहर के हिसाब से दिखेगा. अगर दिल्ली में 11:45 रहता है तो बॉम्बे में 11:50 या कुछ 5-10 मिनट्स का डिफरेंस रहता है. इवन इन लंदन it might be different. Komal ji and Sunanda for Australia also it might be different because of sunset and sunrise.
So कनकधारा स्त्रोत पढ़ना है लक्ष्मी जी का.
कनकधारा स्तोत्र बहुत अच्छा स्तोत्र है. मैं वापस वो आज लिंक में डालता हूँ, जिसको पास नहीं आता है देखो यूट्यूब पे जाओ, कनकधारा स्तोत्र करके, वो बहुत अच्छा है. 45 डेज के कंटिन्यूसली पढ़ो, यू विल हैव एवरीथिंग विद यू. ये बहुत बहुत अच्छा रेमेडी है. नेक्स्ट
रात के 11:15 बजे
बिटवीन आपका रात को नहीं, सवेरे मॉर्निंग 12 o'clock to 12:45. ओके. एंड वो 45 डेज कर लो. इट इज वर्थ डूइंग इट, जस्ट वर्थ डूइंग इट. नेक्स्ट वेरी सिंपल उपाय, टेक गुड़ और गुड़ अगेन जैगरी, रात को जाके एक प्लांट का ऊपर रख दो, उसमें एक चींटी, दैट इज एंट शुड ईट इट. जब एंट ईट्स इट, इट अगेन स्ट्रेंथन्स योर जुपिटर प्लैनेट. So this is another way wherein you can start accessing or getting more money. So this is a very simple and easy technique.
Please repeat this.
Yeah,
What do we have to feed the ants?
Jaggery. Jaggery.
Got it. Thank you.
Okay.
And where we
Sir,
have to
रात
keep it?
में
रात को
रात-
करेंगे तो चींटियां आ जाती है, सवेरे कभी चींटियां नहीं आती है.
Okay.
आप घर पे भी कर सकते हो, घर पे एक छोटा प्लान में, बट आपको चींटियां काफी आएगी. दैट्स द ओनली थिंग.
Yes.
Okay, but वो चींटियां वो खाती है तो it's told it is good. It gives you abundance.
When?
Sorry?
गणेश एक बार फिर से रिपीट करिएगा, ये गुड़
When?
वाला आपने जो जागीरी का बताया है.
या वर्षा, I'll repeat it. रात को कोई भी प्लांट में जाके थोड़ा जैगरी डाल दो, हल्का सा. ओके. तो क्या होगा, कभी भी डाल सकते हो, रात को दिन में कभी भी डाल सकते हो. देन नेक्स्ट डे उसमें मूंगी आके काटता है, दैट इज एंट्स आके काटता है उसमें. दे आर सपोज्ड टू बी ऑस्पिशियस. व्हाट इट डज, इट स्ट्रेंथन्स योर प्लैनेट्स, supporting your money flow. Yeah, someone else was asking me some question.
No,
Thursday
but
is
Ganesh,
supposed
tell
to
me
be
one
good.
thing.
हाँ,
अगर रात अगले डे हमें क्या करना है?
कुछ नहीं, ऐसा देखते रहने का बस. That's it.
Okay.
Yeah, yes sir. Yes sir. Tell me, sir.
Thursday is supposed to be auspicious to do this, huh?
Yes, it's auspicious. And again, I have personally tried this. It has worked very well.
Thanks. I remember somebody telling me this 20 years ago
Hmm.
about this ants. I said, "Ah, acha, gorana." you know, how you explained it. Throw it, drop some by a tree, and let the ants eat it, and they'll bless you, you know, and whatever. But I remember somebody telling me this back in 1996. Thanks.
It
He
works
told
very
me
well, sir. Even now
Thursdays.
it works very well.
He told me, he said Thursdays is the best day.
Okay.
That's why I asked you, is Thursday the best day? So remember him telling me.
Okay. See, the tree can be any tree, by the way. You can also put it in a banyan tree or a simple plant. And this, the ants eating the good or the jaggery is very, very auspicious.
Right.
Thank you.
And Thursdays is the best day.
Thursday is the
Is it?
best day because again, Thursday is the day of Jupiter. It's called Guruvar. It's a Jupiter. If you start from Thursday, it's better. But of course, you can start it from any other days. I still remember some days, for some reason, I would have wanted 1 lakh or 2 lakhs. So what I used to do is in the night, go take some jaggery, put it in the plan, make an intention. Oh, please help me out with 2 lakhs for the next day. And I have manifested that.
Wow, very good.
But do it from your heart. It works very well.
Of course.
And
Thank
these
you
are some
very
of the
much.
best remedies which we have.
Thank you. I'm learning a lot from you.
Thank you. Sure. Then, of course, okay.
आप आउल का दूसरा सुझाव देने वाले थे.
हाँ मैडम.
आउल का दूसरा सुझाव देने वाले थे आप.
आउल का नहीं, एक्चुअली ट्रीज का देने वाला था मैं. आउल का सिर्फ ये आउल ले लो घर पे और उसका नीचे फेदर रखो. It works very well. Okay. Another most important point. Check up your southwest direction. Southwest, check up from your compass. Southwest direction में आप लोग का क्या है? Now, southwest direction में, if at all, आपका leakages हो या उधर कचरा डब्बा रखा हो, you will start again. Your money flow will stop. Please check up. अगर उसमें अलमारी रहेगा, fine, but keep the अलमारी and उसका अंदर जो है अच्छा सा रखो. आपका मोबाइल से southwest direction is called the Lakshmi direction. मेरा खुद का बताता हूँ. I stay in Bombay. मेरा southwest direction में crack था, crack. And इतना मेरे को तकलीफ हुआ ना. Okay, and of course I was in a rented house at Andheri, Bombay, and it really made me spend money like crazy. फिर ओनर को बोला, उसने कुछ नहीं किया. फिर मैंने जाके कुछ कारपेंटर कंस्ट्रक्शन वाले को बोल के ठीक ठाक करवाया. So southwest direction is extremely important. Next, southwest direction में, this is very, very important. Please remember this. Southwest direction में थोड़ा राइस ले लो बाउल में, थोड़ा दाल ले लो दाल. Please mix it and keep it for your ancestors. ये बहुत important. Do it in next 2-3 days because अभी ancestors का time है, पितृपक्ष का time है. Don't miss this. Take a bowl, put some rice, put some dal, yellow dal डालो उसमें, and pray for your ancestors for शांति. ये बहुत अभी next 2-3 days में करो because 6th को अमावस्या है. उसके बाद ये पितृ पक्ष खत्म हो रहा है. Do it by tomorrow or day after tomorrow. Again in southwest direction.
लेकिन हमें वहाँ पे साउथ वेस्ट में रखनी है.
Yes, southwest में रखना है. Yes.
उसके बाद क्या होगा उस करना है?
1-2 महीने के बाद वापस उसको ओके. उसके बाद 15 दिन के बाद क्लीन दैट राइस एंड दाल, उसको छोटा सा स्वीट बनाओ. ओके, एंड स्वीट बना के आप किसी सिक्योरिटी या जो घर पे आप लोग आता है, ओके, उनको दे दो एंड टेक ब्लेसिंग्स फ्रॉम देम.
But like in my location, people generally don't eat such things. They are like,
then keep it to where is your location?
Dehradun. So
Okay,
people
sorry.
here are very specific about they'll not touch such
Then
things.
keep it on the terrace so that birds or someone can eat.
Okay.
Or feed it to a black
Birds
dog.
or ants can eat.
Yes, ants can eat. Yes.
Ants में बहुत, क्योंकि ants बड़े आराम से मिल जाती हैं, वो
Yes.
problem नहीं होती.
Ants
वो
can
सब
eat,
कुछ
yes.
खा भी जाती हैं.
Absolutely, ants can eat. Yes. Or give it to this one. What do you call terrace में डाल दो. Or give to a dog, black dog.
Okay.
That's
Sir,
again
उसको
अभी अभी तो हमें
कुछ-
उसे कच्चा ही रखना है ना?
रॉ फॉर्म में रखना है सर, रॉ
ना
रखना है क्या?
उसको बॉईल करके इस पे दूध डाल के खिलाने का है।
नहीं,
Okay,
पहले तो रॉ फॉर्म में रखना है ना, 15
पहले
डेज
तो
के
रॉ
बाद।
फॉर्म में रखने का, एंश्योर दैट देयर इज नो डर्ट फॉलिंग ऑन इट
ओके।
एंड टेक द नेम ऑफ एंसेस्टर्स।
सो गणेश, हम उसको किसी बॉक्स में करके रख सकते हैं
यस
जिससे कि उसमें मिट्टी ना आए, सैंड ना आए?
यस 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 एब्सोल्युटली,
किसी बॉक्स में करके रख दे?
यस एब्सोल्युटली,
ओके।
absolutely we can. So this is a very very important thing, and here once you get the ancestor blessings, you will all be done very very well.
सर बॉक्स किस मटेरियल का होना चाहिए?
देखो you can use a glass, for example ये
Okay,
glass
okay.
use कर रहे हो, इसको ढक्कन
Yes,
लगा
yes.
के इसके अंदर डाल दो,
ढक्कन लगा के रख
yeah,
दें।
but don't use plastic का।
यस यस, समझ गई सर।
Okay, Shipra ji, right? Don't use plastic.
ओके।
Okay, that is very very important. And if you're making any box will do, but never plastics. Okay, next, of course, cash box को तो सबको मालूम है। Okay, of course, we also supply cash box. Okay, cash box का अंदर let there be mirror on the cash box. Okay, वो तो मिलता है। If you want, let me know. We also supply cash box का अंदर mirror रख के, please put money in that, 100 rupees या 200 rupees, whatever it is. So it keeps on doubling. 10,000 rupees रखो उसमें, use करो, keep using it. Cash box का अंदर you can also make it, नहीं तो Amazon में मिलता है, or you can tell us, we can also help you out. Okay, very very important. Cash box का अंदर पैसा रखो, cash box के अंदर थोड़ा हल्का सा gold रखो, cash box के अंदर थोड़ा silver रखो. So these are all again very very important facts. इसमें से काफी अच्छा निकलता है। Then कैश बॉक्स का अंदर आपका विशेस लिखो, विशेस आपको क्या चाहिए। डोंट डायरेक्टली से मेरे को 100 करोड़ चाहिए, गो टेक ए बेबी स्टेप एंड देन डू इट। दिस वर्क्स वेरी 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 वेल। ओके, कैश बॉक्स का अंदर मिरर रहता है तो यू इंक्रीज दी, यू डबल योर मनी। नेक्स्ट, यूज टेक 1 पाउंड, $1, €1 ले लो, वो भी कैश बॉक्स के अंदर रखो। अगेन वर्षा जी स्पेसिफिकली you are always asking me how to get foreign clients. Okay, take a cash box with mirror, उसका अंदर keep 1 pound, $1 or more dollars also, more multiple currencies. Then you see you start getting clients from out of India.
Thanks, Ganesh.
Thanks, yeah, thanks. Okay, I'll just show you my cash box. Yeah, this is the cash box. This has got multiple things. It's a mirror here. So keep this and you will have abundance. और cash box को please रोज साफ करो. Okay, very very important. हाँ, इसको साफ भी कैसा करने का, that also I'll tell you. थोड़ा saffron ले लो. Okay, थोड़ा सा and spray आता है, spray bottle. Spray bottle के अंदर पानी डालो, saffron डालो. हर चारों कॉर्नर प्लस टॉप को स्प्रे करते रहो रोज. दैट इज हाउ यू क्लीन और क्लेंस द कैश बॉक्स. Crystals, of course, if you have knowledge of crystals, fine. If you don't have knowledge of crystals, please let me know. You can wear multiple crystals on a full moon day. Remember, on a full moon day, please keep this crystal under the moonlight. Okay, charge it and then use it. But it is mandatory. And again, on a full moon day, take a glass of water, keep it under sunlight, moonlight, I'm sorry, then drink the water. It's again another way to make more money.
For how long we have to keep it in moonlight?
Yeah, water. Just take glass.
I mean, for like we have to keep it, leave it in moonlight for whole night.
I will not say, because obviously, आजकल COVID and other things, just keep it there for a few seconds.
Okay.
It should be open. Okay, it should be open. Then
Okay.
immediately take the water.
Okay.
Or what you can do is, if your moon is projecting out from your window, okay, no need of taking it outside also. Moonlight अगर आपका window में आ रहा है,
We can keep it in glass bottle, but it has to be open. It can't be closed.
no plastic bottle, no plastic bottle.
Like glass bottle.
Glass bottle, yeah. Okay.
Glass
Next,
bottle.
yeah. Next, most importantly, which I have personally seen, right now I'm in Delhi, otherwise whenever I'm in Bombay and Bangalore, I take a red color bottle, drink water in that. Now, why is that? Red is again root chakra. So you will start attracting money. So red is again root chakra, start attracting money. So drink water in that. Next, of course, whenever you want money, again, sorry to tell you this, use red cloths, especially from down your stomach, red pants, etc., etc. Use red color. It really attracts a lot of money.
But it's not good if you got blood pressure, huh?
Yeah, blood pressure. Yeah.
It's not good to wear red if you got blood pressure, I think.
No, not at all. If you have those issues, please come back to me. I will heal that. It's that's again a myth. If at all you have a BP, there's no need of making. It's not that you should not use red color.
I think it's probably someone, who probably an urban myth, and they just wrote it, and I read
No,
it somewhere.
in fact, using red, you'll always attract money. And again, red near the root chakras will enhance a lot of things. Okay, it will also improve a lot of internal things. So, especially all the organs near the root chakra will get activated, and you will also have hassle-free health issues.
Yeah, I read something in color therapy. They say that you're not supposed to wear red because it's
No, not
supposed
at all.
to
Because
be
I also do color reiki.
no color therapy.
Yeah, even in color therapy, yes. Even I also do something called karmic healing, karmic reiki. In fact, there we tell people to use red.
Misinformation.
Sure. Contact me. I'll take and help you out in this.
Thanks.
Thank you. Thanks a lot, sir. Next, of course, people who have okay, this you can see only from astrology chart. People who are having moon in the first house. Of course, I'm also an astrologer, numerologist. Who are having moon in the first house, they need to be very, very careful on full moon and Amavasya. Because at that time they get into a lot of depression, a lot of migraine issues, a lot of these things. So whenever you have these type of problems, use a moon locket or something. Otherwise, what will happen is during Amavasya and during full moon, 2 to 3 days here and there, you will stop getting money. That's or whoever are born on number 2. It can be number 2 or 2020 or number 11. This is number 2 is moon. Okay, so that is very, very important for people who are born on these days. They will also be having a lot of mood swings. It's not their problem actually. It's the issue of the moon, because moon rotates rotates in every 2.5 days. So they will be having a flickering mind, wavering mind. Okay, so again, anyone wants, you can I can help you out with the charts as well. Look at your charts. So this is very, very important. You look at some people on 1 or 2 days of every month, they will have migraine issues, specifically migraine issues, or they'll have health issues. That will be either prior to an Amavasya, full moon, or no moon day. So that means that is a very clear indication that they are afflicted by moon. Now, another shocking news, another thing is, don't keep 20 rupees, 200 rupees, or 2000 rupees currency if your moon is weak. The moment you keep this, you just try this, you keep this, and in case you are spending this money immediately, it happens with me also. Okay, first of all, I'm a spendthrift, but when I'm keeping 200 or 20 or 2000, this money will blow off immediately. This is for everyone, by the way, it's for everyone. Okay, so this is again affected by moon. You will start spending this. If at all you want to really save money, use 50 rupees, is the best note. Okay, it's a green color note. It's really good. Even 500 rupees is also pretty good. Okay, another important thing of note or currency is, see, I always keep 50 rupees with me. Never fold this note, especially if either from here or from here. It should never be folded. And every day, please kiss the note, say I love you. Please come with more friends of yours. Okay, this is a mandatory exercise to do this, and you can keep it under your pillow. And whenever you get up in the morning, please tell it, kiss it, and say, "I love you. Please come with more friends of yours." This is what I teach Money Reiki also. Okay, and in Money Reiki, this is one of my prominent stuff.
सर जिनका साइकिल नंबर ही 2 हो वो क्या करें सर? उनका तो मूड स्विंग बहुत होता है अमावस्या एंड पूर्णिमा में.
Very good. मैं एक स्विच वर्ड देता हूँ. Okay, then I'll tell you.
Okay sir, please give me sir. Thank you so much sir.
No problem. Absolutely. Done. Any other questions? I think we will conclude it.
Sir, tell the phone number again, sir.
Sorry.
Phone number again.
9987 142 9987 142 693. Yes, R ka Samannata, yes, I have found his answers. It is logical and I tried and tested and it has uplifted me to the next level in my life. Again, I repeat my number 9987
Yes.
9987 142 693.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Okay, so I think any doubts or we'll close off for the day. Great. Thanks a lot for joining in. I also have the same meditation at 3:30 tomorrow till 6th. 6th is of course Amavasya. Don't miss that. I'm also doing some very thing special on that Amavasya day. That will be a last meditation for 21 days. Hello.
सर आप ये जो रिकॉर्डिंग आज
रिकॉर्डिंग डाल
सेंड
दूंगा
करेंगे क्योंकि मेरी मेडिटेशन मिस हो गई थी मैंने
मैं रिकॉर्डिंग डाल दूंगा. Whoever wants recording, whoever not in the group can contact me. I'll send the recording.
और अभी 2 नंबर का आपने रेमेडी बताई स्विच वर्ड नंबर 2 के लिए स्विच वर्ड क्या बताया?
Okay.
करेंगे
Limit. Okay, I'll send it on the group.
सर.
Bypass limit mass amount. I will send it on the group. Or smorgasbord charm abide by the magic carpet. I'll send it on this thing. And anyone wants any more thing, just let me know. Okay. Thank you. Have a great day. 6th, don't miss it. Same link.
Hello.
Yeah. Hello. Yeah.
Hello. Yes. Yeah. Actually, I was asking the question that is there any kind of scientific remedy or scientific logic actually? Scientific
Yes,
base or
course.
scientific
Yes,
logic
there are
is
scientific
there
logics.
that any kind of remedy you have given so far?
Sorry.
Is there any kind of scientific base or any kind of logic is there that you have given the remedy? What
Yes,
would
of
actually
course.
what's the
I have done the remedy.
behind all
I tried and tested it myself, and you can get in touch with me. I can surely give you all the scientific reasoning. My number is there. You can surely get in touch with me.
Sorry?
My number is there. You can certainly get in touch with me, and I'll explain you everything.
Okay, I will contact you.
Sure,
Okay.
no problem.
Happy
Sorry.
Holi. I was just saying to him, Happy Holi.
Oh, thank you. So, any more questions? Okay, bye-bye. We are on our final chakra from tomorrow. It's basically the crown chakra. So, try and wear purple color.
Okay.
Okay, purple or violet color.
Okay, sir.
सर
Yeah.
मैं नहीं आ पाऊंगी कल से.
Same time you will take this
3:30 in the morning and 9 in the evening.
9 in the
And 3:30 in the morning. Anyone wants to come at 3:30? Yeah, you are the same.
सर मेरा तो आज भी आंख वही खुल गया था. 3:30 मॉर्निंग में कर लिया मैंने आपकी सुन के रिकॉर्डिंग.
नहीं मैं आज थोड़ा मैं कुछ इस चीज के लिए इसलिए मैं आज मैं नहीं किया बिकॉज तो 5th को हम लोग का खत्म हो रहा है ना, तो 5th के लिए मैं 6th को सब लोग बोला था 6th को कुछ करो करके. सो आई थॉट
सर आपने वो भेजा नहीं ना. मैं उसके भेज रहे थे नवरात्रि के लिए जो आपने एक बार ग्रुप में डाला था.
कृणाती आपको कल भेजेंगे मैम. कृणाती भेजेंगी.
अच्छा कृणाती भेजेंगे. ठीक है सर.
ओके
उसको रिकॉर्डिंग भी करके सुन सकते हैं ना, क्योंकि मैं अगर लाइव
वो
नहीं
क्या
कर
है इसका स्कोप ऑफ वर्क, मैं आपको कल पूरा समझाता हूँ मैं।
ठीक है थैंक यू
सर मैं आपको
कोमल।
हाफ एन आवर में कॉल करती हूँ।
या आई एम अवेलेबल, यू कैन कॉल मी।
ओके
I'm available. Okay.
Thank you very much.
Bye
Thank
bye.
you.
Bye bye. Yeah.
बाय गुड नाइट।